Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain to GitHub pages, step by step. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to the official GitHub website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. If you already have one, simply click the Sign In button in the top right corner and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. From here, go to the Repositories section and select the repository you want to connect with your custom domain. Inside your repository, look for the Pages option in the Settings area. Click on it to open GitHub Pages. Scroll down until you find the Custom Domain section. Now, enter your custom domain name in the field provided. Make sure your domain is already purchased and properly configured with your domain registrar. You will usually need to set up DNS records like A records or a CNAME pointing to GitHub. After entering your domain, save the changes. GitHub will now try to verify your domain automatically. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. If it doesn't work immediately, double-check your DNS settings with your registrar. And that's it. You've successfully connected your custom domain to GitHub pages. Now your project can be accessed through a professional and personalized web address. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.